5.
Hi, my name is Cooper. Welcome to the Notes from the 6th grade, the program that tells you everything you need to know about the life of a 6th grader. Today, my special guest is Jennifer, who will be talking to us about the time she was attacked by a towel. Welcome, Jennifer. Also joining us is our live studio audience in Rockaway Park, Queens, class 601. Welcome, 601. Well, what happened, Jennifer?
Well, I was on a cruise ship, and it was a horrible experience because I almost blew off the ship. What happened was it was really windy, and we weren't supposed to be outside on the deck, but we were anyway. And I was holding a towel and a very expensive jacket, and the towel blew out of my hand. I thought we would get fined or sued or kicked off the ship if I lost the towel and it blew into the water, so I dove on top of it. And then as soon as I got the towel back, I lost my jacket and it started to blow away. So then I tried to dive on top of that, but then I started to blow away. So my dad dove on top of me and prevented me from blowing off the ship.
Jennifer, what cruise were you on and where were you going?
I was on the Norwegian Jewel, and we were going to the ship's private island, which was in the Bahamas, and we were also going to Orlando Resort, which was a water park.
How old were you and who were you with?
I was 7 years old, and I was with my brother, my mom, and my dad.
How old was your brother?
He was 9.
How would you have reacted differently if you were in this situation more recently?
I probably would have worried more about my own safety than the towel, and I probably wouldn't have went after it. I probably would have just let it blow away.
Now we have a question from the audience.
When you were chasing the items, did you think about the danger of falling off the ship?
No, I didn't think about the dangers because I thought that we would be in a lot of danger of some sort if we lost the towel, and I thought we would be punished very severely. So I was more concerned about the towel than my own well-being and safety.
So Jennifer, will you ever go on a cruise again with your family and why?
No, I wouldn't because it resulted not very well, and we really didn't enjoy ourselves, and we also got really sick, so no one really had any fun.
Well, that's all the time we have for today. Please join us next time from next time on Notes from the 6th grade. I'm Cooper. Goodbye for now.